I see through eyes when I lift above a cold muted world where you cannot feel love. I step in your mind from that high distant place, a helicopter view of a fractured in space. It is dim, it is warm, a room with no sunrise, a life weathered and torn. That is why replying to you is a losing game. Every message burns out into more of the same. So silence becomes the only ground we share, a void where nothing moves except the things stay there. But I know divine timing, I know the gold I earned, I know the lessons carved into me, everyone confirmed. You say I hold narratives, you say I twist what is true, but I only ever carried the facts of what you did and what you failed to do. No bargaining, no circling in your storms or your chains. The only real narrative left is the one you refuse to see. The greed you feed, the hate you leak, the untreated illness that came